Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the RB10 running boards from GoRhino on this Jeep Gladiator. The RB10s are great for adding style and function to your truck or Jeep. While we are showcasing the RB10s on this Gladiator, they're also available for the Jeep JL and JK models, as well as most full-size and mid-size trucks. The RB10s are 6 inches wide and made from a zinc-coated steel, plus they're one solid piece for that strong, tough step that won't wear out over time. These steps add style and safety by mimicking the louvers on the Ford Raptor OE steps. This unique step area gives you and passengers a safer entry and exit of the vehicle no matter the weather conditions. RB10s from GoRhino have a rugged off-road look and function that's perfect for overlanding and off-road adventures. They're topped with a black texture powder-coated finish to protect the step from rust and corrosion, plus adds better traction. You can also get the RB10s in the only OE-approved bed liner finish. These steps are aerodynamic for optimal performance, plus a flush fit. The low-profile design also helps with clearance while still protecting your paint job. For builds with bigger tires and lifts, GoRhino has an optional 4-inch drop-down step that bolts on the underside mounting channel built into these running boards. They come in pairs and are sold separately, but they're convenient for a family or daily driver vehicle. And for off-road clearance and play, simply remove the drop steps. Overall, the RB10 running boards provide a strong, stable platform, wheel-to-wheel step that makes even rooftop access easier. You can even add a matching RB10 hitch step for an overall cohesive look. This is a pretty straightforward installation, plus there's no drilling required, so we rate this a 2 out of 10, and it'll take you about an hour or an hour and a half, just depending on your skill level or comfortability. The GoRhino RB10 running boards are backed by a 5-year warranty. If you would like to purchase the RB10s or have them installed, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.